Full details in the blog post linked in the description. The blog post will be kept up to date with any new details that appear. Check the TV input. Often the case is simply a bad cable connection that's messing up with your picture display. The TV box needs to be properly linked to your TV screen, otherwise, it won't show the channels clearly. Make sure that you check that the cable is secure, and if it's not, try setting up the TV box again. In case you still don't get a clear picture, consider replacing your cable or the TV receiver, since there might be a problem with the wires. If all else fails, try connecting the cable to a different input source, and make sure that any HDMI cables are connected correctly. Also, it might be the case that you have not got the correct input source selected on your TV. Reset the TV box. Sometimes it's not the cables, but the TV box that's the problem. This is most probably the cause, especially if the TV box has been acting up for a while now. Look for prior signs, such as the box being unresponsive to the remote control. If you've been experiencing multiple lagging issues, then you should try resetting the TV box. Here's how you can quickly do that. Turn the TV box off. Disconnect the device from its cable source. Wait at least a minute before you reconnect it. Let the TV box finish rebooting for 2 minutes. Turn the appliance back on test to see if the signal has been restored. Inspect your aerial system. If you live in an area with a weak signal, this will most likely distort the TV's picture display. Additionally, construction sites and nearby obstructions can also affect how strong the signal you get is. The best way to avoid such problems is to install your aerial at the highest point possible. Favoring an outside aerial system for an indoor one will work wonders as well. In the event that none of the above pose an issue for you, then the cause of your weak signal may lie in the type of aerial system you have installed. In other words, you might want to get a higher gain TV aerial. These kinds of aerials are pretty effective in improving the signal's overall performance. Plus, if you have multiple TVs connected to the same aerial, you may need one that's able to provide you with an optimal viewing experience across all devices. Reset the TV. Restarting your Samsung TV might help fix the problem and any other malfunctions you might have been experiencing as well. Often, a soft reset is all that is needed to solve issues on a Samsung TV. A soft reset does not erase any data. To soft reset a Samsung TV, you simply need to turn the TV off, then remove the plug from the wall outlet and wait for 60 seconds. Then put the plug back in and turn the TV on again. Properly reconnect your cables before attempting to turn your TV back on. The screen should show you that the device is rebooting. Try a hard reset. A hard reset involves completely resetting the TV to its factory defaults, and your data will be erased. To do this, do the following. Turn on the TV and press the Home button on the remote. Go to Settings, then click General, then click Reset. You must then enter a 4-digit PIN number, which is 0000 by default. Then click Yes to reset the TV. The TV will then turn off once it has finished resetting. You can now turn the TV back on and set it up again. Update the software. Postponing important updates causes your device to be rigged with bugs, which in turn leads to signal problems and, more often, audio issues as well. You can turn on automatic software updates by going Settings, then Support, then Software Update, and ensure Auto Update is turned on. Alternatively, you can manually update over the internet by clicking Update Now. If your TV is still not working properly, try taking a look at the comments. I will also keep the blog post linked in the description, updated with any new fixes that emerge.